Hello, you guys. Good morning or good night to those who are in the next zone. The name's Troy, calling from the Netherlands. Just want to talk to you guys. Just give me a moment of your time. Well, how are you guys today? I hope you're fine. Today, I would like to talk about how can you improve yourself, not to get extra muscles, or but just to be improving yourself in looking what's going on, making adjustment, and carrying on. So, first of all, doesn't matter where you are in the world, but if you are out there somewhere and you could have the moment in space just to take a deep breath and say, okay, am I now? You could take a pen and a piece of paper and say, okay, I'm here, and you draw a long line saying, okay, where will I be in 10 years, 15, 20 years, you name it. You can start with 5. And you can look around and see, okay, what's going on in my neighborhood, my country, the place where I'm staying. What is the most important things to do? What is uh, what is needed? Where more people are needed? How can I contribute to my society, my family, my friends, my neighborhood? And that's what I'm talking about in looking to see where you are. How old are you? How long can you manage it? All of this, you could just make a quick scan of it all. And then ask yourself, listen, uh, is the direction that I'm going on now, is it okay? Will this lead me to somewhere good? It's like somebody going into the gym. Keep on going into the gym, take the self personal trainer, and keep on doing what they need to do. Finally, if the trainer know what they would like to make of their self, like maybe a bigger breast or stronger legs or arms, then the trainer will just set out a line for them and said, okay, if you do this and this and this within now and 1 year time, you have the legs you have the muscle you want, the abdominals you want, you will have it. The song you hear at the back is my birds. They like talk when I'm talking. So saying that, if you know where you are, and then you could like say, well, okay, I'm there now and I want to go there. So you could just like, you could go there because you know where you are. So in the same way, you could just make an adjustment and look and see where you are in the line of work, family wise, doesn't matter what. And then you could either keep on doing what you're doing, or you need to change direction, one of the two. So, saying that, I want to encourage you guys to take a piece of paper and write it down, sign it out, and look at it and say, okay, I'm here right now. I want to go there and look for next vehicle to take you there. Not literally, but make other decision that will take you to a next direction if you're going wrong at this moment, because we need to improve ourselves. Doesn't matter if you're only gonna live 100 years, because 100 years maybe look like a long time, but it's very fast, because 100 years goes very fast. So look at yourself in that way and look and see how you could improve. And if there is one way or other, if you cannot find it, look for advice. Keep on looking around. So saying that, I want to say, as you add it right now, you're looking at it, look and see if the SFM could fit in your schedule as well. So take a click on my link below and just look and see if you could use it. Saying that, I'm gonna sign off. I hope you guys enjoy my short moment, and you have a wonderful day. You guys take care and be safe out there. Bye bye.